Scala, the home of architects Ingrid and Adrian Spence, is a testament to their ambitious vision for residential architecture. Nestled within an inner-city Brisbane pocket, this unique dwelling challenges conventional notions of suburban living and subtropical design. Described aptly as a future ruin, Scala seamlessly blends contemporary innovation with an almost ancient aura. Its expansive spaces, adorned with a minimalist palette of concrete and masonry, evoke the grandeur of an art gallery or a civic building. The central courtyard and pool, reminiscent of a luxurious resort, further enhance this air of sophistication. While its striking aesthetics might draw comparisons to iconic destinations like Palm Springs or Marrakech, the true essence of Scala lies in its profound respect for the site. The architects, deeply invested in Brisbane's urban evolution, recognized the need to transcend outdated planning regulations and respond thoughtfully to the site's unique character. Situated amidst a mix of commercial establishments and remnants of traditional housing, the site demanded a design that embraced densification while respecting the city's subtropical identity. The architects envisioned a residence that transcended the typical house and granny flat model, offering flexibility and adaptability for future generations. Their primary objective was to create a place for one or for many, a space that could seamlessly transition from an intimate family home to a vibrant gathering place. This guiding principle informed every aspect of the design, from the spatial arrangement to the choice of materials. The building itself seems to emerge from the landscape, inviting exploration like an archaeological site. The plan is organized in sections, with the courtyard acting as a raised platform offering stunning views. The surrounding buildings enclose the courtyard, creating an intimate amphitheater-like atmosphere. This interplay of levels and spaces, combined with the carefully considered landscaping, blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The enduring strength of concrete and masonry permeates Scala, providing a sense of security and permanence. These materials, while unconventional in Queensland's timber-dominated architectural landscape, reflect the architect's vision for a more robust and enduring urban future. Ultimately, Scala is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It is a building that not only endures but also actively shapes the future of its site and its surrounding environment. This small, yet impactful project demonstrates how architecture can contribute meaningfully to the evolving urban fabric of a city.